Hey guys, it's Matt Balloon here, and I'm hoping this will work. I'm just voicing it over really quick. I'm just going to show you guys what I did. This is before I show the rest of the tutorial, but right now I'm just prying off that little piece right there and just give it a couple wiggles. I use use a knife. I recommend a flathead screwdriver with duct tape on top, and that comes off pretty easily. Next, I'll show you guys the tools that I'm using. Bought them for like $9 at Walmart, real quick and easy. Simple to use, simple to apply to the thing. I don't remember exactly which one it is, but if you buy the same exact tool set, you'll easily figure it out. It's not too complicated. And anybody could do this, guys. I'm not an expert by any means, trust me. And just keep going, fast forwarding here. Unscrewing those two bolts that I showed you previously. And yeah, we're just gonna unscrew those, get them all nice and good unscrewed. I just put them to the side. Make sure you don't forget where they are, don't lose those. And then I will move the camera down towards the console and start prying that off, hopefully. And start prying it off, but at the end you'll see here I cut, and then that's where the actual audio of this video starts. I'm just recording this over the dub of fast forwarding it because I felt like it needed audio to be even remotely a good video to post on YouTube. So there you go. So just pry off every single side there, you guys, and you can clearly see it's not coming off, and I'll figure that out and I'll show you how exactly to pry that off. In 3, 2, 1. I'm lagging. 3, 2, 1. Now.
Hey you guys, it's Matt Balloon here, and I'm going to be doing a quick DIY project here. I've already got it started all ready to go for you. Basically what I'm doing is changing the shifter light bulb because mine kind of burnt out, and this usually lights up when I'm at night and turn my lights on. So without further ado, I'm going to get you guys to where the bulb is and how I did it really quick. Here we go. Alright, a quick thing to mention, guys, it's a 2014 Nissan Sentra. It also works for the 13 and I believe the 12 and 15, if I'm not mistaken, but don't take my word for it, and I'm not liable if you guys screw up. Okay, so first things first, you want to remove this little piece right here. It comes off pretty easily. Just take a screwdriver, the flathead screwdriver that has duct tape on it. Make sure you don't damage your vehicle, and just pry it off. It comes off pretty easily. And behind that, you guys will find this piece right here. This also comes off, but you have to have 2 screws, so one right here, and one right here. You'll see it's connected. It's pretty obvious. And then you get one of these. I believe it is a 5-side, 4-side, something like that. I picked up this tool at Walmart for like $9. It's pretty simple. And you just unscrew this side, unscrew that side. I already have everything unscrewed. Next, you want to take off the panel. It could be a little tricky, guys. It's going to take a lot of finicking, so just really get under there and be careful. Don't try to scratch your car or anything like that, and eventually it'll come loose. Trust me, it'll work. And the only way to get this off, since it's connected to the cigarette lighter and also it hits the shifter knob here, I'm going to put the phone right down real quick for a second. And the only way this thing comes off, guys, is if, oops, I'm going to pull that up because I have a lot of stuff here, is if you pull it up. Okay, see how it's not working? This is why. The shifter has to be in either neutral, reverse, anything but park. So I'm going to turn the car on really quick. I'm going to put my foot down on the brake. I'm going to throw it all the way, no, I'll just put it in neutral since I have my e-brake on. I'll be okay. And then it comes right off, guys. So I'm just going to put that to the side. And next, I'm sure you guys could see it kind of. Let me make sure. Next thing you do, let me zoom in here, is you remove this piece. This piece comes off really easily. All you have to do is yank the 4 sides. So there's one clip here, one clip here, a clip here, and a clip here. All you got to do is remove all those clips and just I guess put this back into drive, or no, put this back into park because it's easier that way. and then just push that up, just like that. Next, you want to locate the bulb. Bulb is right here. I will zoom in right there for you. This is the bulb right here, guys. It is connected to this blue wire, and the bulb is right there. So what you got to do, hold on, my apologies for the camera work, here we are, is you want to twist this, twist to the right or left, and then pull it out. Should come out real easily. I already had the bulb out, guys, because I was looking for it, and I found one at AutoZone, of all places. This is not a sponsored video, but AutoZone did have it, so I just want to give you guys a heads up, and I will show you exactly what bulb to get. So here we are. The bulb is a very small bulb. I promise you, very small. It's probably the smallest one that stores carry. So 2723, that's the part number. Sylvania. It comes with 2 lamps. I bought it for about $5. So let's get started. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so now that you guys took apart your whole dash here, and you got the bulb out safely, you want to open the package like so. Remove bulb. Sometimes you want to use gloves. I don't know if I need to or not, so don't take my word for that one. And carefully handle it. Put it right in the socket where it where you pulled out the other one. And there you go. Now it's in. And the only way to test it, I believe, is to turn the lights on. So let's turn my lights on. And there you go, guys. Your bulb is fixed. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more Uber karaoke videos. I know this has nothing to do with that, but hopefully this helped you in so many ways, because I had to do this myself. So this took me quite a while to figure out. I did my research, and presto changeo, it worked. All right, guys. Let me just reassemble this real quick for you guys. So I would recommend turning the lights back off. Let's twist this. And remember to like this video so a lot of people can see it. You guys have the same model, vehicle, or something similar to it. Basically, just put it back, reassemble everything the way you had it. So clip those in. Make sure they're good and tight. That doesn't feel tight, but I'll make sure it's good. Actually, that looks, yeah, I don't know. Like I said, guys, this is my first DIY project, so bear with me. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back after a few finicking of the shifter, the plastic piece. What you want to do is clip this side in first, then this, and that. I know it seems weird, it has to be in a certain order, but whatever, it works. Okay, so now to put this back on, since we have to move the shifter, so we'll put it back in neutral real quick, and we'll throw this right back over. Don't even worry about unplugging the cigarette lighter, guys, it doesn't even matter, to be honest with you. I would assume I'm just gonna press down on all the clips here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me zoom out real quick. There we go. So you just press down on all these clips, make sure it's all nice and tight. Looks good. And then make sure you find your screws, because that will help you. Otherwise you're screwed. Haha, get it? Screwed. Okay. So let's screw those back in. I'll be right back. Alright, we are back, and now we have to do the final installation, which is this plastic piece. I got the screws in, one side, this side, that side. So make sure you line it up perfectly with the tuner and the volume buttons, and the clips go in the right places, and just put it back the way you guys originally had it. That's basically all there is to this video, guys. Hopefully this really helped you guys, because honestly I couldn't find a video like this on the internet, so I'm gonna upload this as soon as I get done filming it, and there you go. I know you guys definitely cannot see this, but I'm going to turn it on real quick just to show you that it works. You kind of see it right there. There you go. It wasn't working before, I promise you guys. I had a burnt bulb. That's what happened. It wasn't a fuse. Alright. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.